Hey there, hello everyone. In this video, we are gonna see how you can host the BotsApp on your local computer. And let me make this clear. If you use this method, you will have to keep your computer on and connected to internet for all the time you want bot to be active. So let's see a list of things which we have to install. So first of all, Node.js. Node.js is basically a runtime environment for JavaScript, and as the BotsApp is built with JavaScript, you will have to install Node.js. I will show you how to do that. And next step is download the BotsApp itself and extract it. Then we will install a tool called Yarn. Yarn is basically used to get the dependencies for any JavaScript application. So using Yarn, we will get all the dependencies for BotsApp. Then we will start the WhatsApp, scan the QR code, and you will have the WhatsApp running. So let's proceed step by step. First of all, we are gonna install Node.js. So open your favorite browser, go to your favorite search engine and search Node.js. My bad. So this is the official site of Node.js, nodejs.org. Um, Click on that and it will show you options to download. As I'm on Windows 64-bit, I will download this. If you are on any other operating system, it will accordingly show you the options to download. So let's download this. I will save it in my downloads folder. Click on this. This will launch the setup for Node.js. Click next. I accept the terms and click next. You have to select the folder where Node.js will be installed. Just keep it default. Click next and next. Automatically install the necessary tools. uh, I don't think it's required for our purpose, so click next and install. I think you are not able to see it. It's just asking me for administrative rights, so click yes. Okay, so it says that Node.js has been successfully installed. If you want to confirm if Node.js is installed or not, click on finish and then go to start. Launch a command prompt window, command prompt, and type node space -b. It will show the version of node installed in your system. So in my system it's 16.15.0. If you are watching this video in future, um, no worries, you will have maybe advanced version of Node.js and it doesn't matter. Okay, so we will cut this and we will cut this. Now we will see what's the next step. We have to download the WhatsApp source code and extract it. So for that, again, open your favorite search engine and search BotsApp GitHub, WhatsApp GitHub. The first link will be WhatsApp official / WhatsApp. Click on this link. It will take you to the WhatsApp's official repository in GitHub. Make sure that this is WhatsApp official WhatsApp, and then go to this code button and download zip. Click on here. Save it on your any folder you want to save it. Yeah, so it has downloaded this. I will close the Chrome and I will go to this PC and my downloads folder. Now you can see that the WhatsApp is here. Now I want to now extract this folder wherever you want to keep the WhatsApp. I will do it in my downloads folder itself. So I will just go to extract all, and it is showing that it will be extracted in my downloads folder with a directory WhatsApp multi-device. You can change this to wherever you want WhatsApp to be. So I will click on extract. Now it has extracted the WhatsApp here. There's a directory. I will close this and show you again. This is the folder which got extracted from the zip. I will click on here, open this here. Now this is basically the source code of WhatsApp. From here, what you have to do is go to this search bar, click on here. You will see that it will get automatically selected. Just press backspace and then type cmd. If you type cmd in the search bar and press enter, a command prompt window will open in this directory. So this is the command prompt window which has opened in this directory. Make sure that this path is where you extracted the WhatsApp. Now what we have to do is install yarn. So we will install yarn by this command npm install G is for global. Npm is the package manager associated with Node, and G is for global. So you can use yarn in any other JavaScript projects as well, and yarn. Then press enter. It will take some time. Yeah, it has installed yarn. Now let me maximize this command prompt window. Now we have to get all the dependencies for WhatsApp. To do that, just write the command yarn. This yarn is what we have installed just now. So if you write that command and press enter, it will automatically fetch all the packages for WhatsApp. This might take some time depending on your internet connection. So be patient and just wait for it to finish. Yeah, it has completed. It might say your current version of yarn is out of date. Just ignore this for now. So it has downloaded all the dependencies that are needed to run the WhatsApp. Now to get some space, I will clear all this. I will type command cls. Don't worry, it doesn't do anything much. It will just clear my command prompt. Now we have got all the dependencies of WhatsApp. Next step is start the WhatsApp itself. Oh, I'm sorry. Now we have to start the WhatsApp itself. For doing that, we will type the command npm start, and we will press enter. It might take some time again depending on the processing power of your computer. So yeah, it has done, and the QR code is showing up. Now you have to scan that QR code. Well, basically, mm, you have to open WhatsApp. Let me show you my phone for that. Okay, so this is my phone, and I will go to WhatsApp. I will go to linked devices, link a device, and it will show you the QR opener. Scan it, and yeah, it says that it has been linked, and you can check on your phone. It will show you that WhatsApp successfully integrated. Alright, bot is currently working in private mode, so you can change the modes. Now let me show you if the WhatsApp is correctly working or not. For that, I will use my another number, and I will write a command here. I will send a command .help, and you can see that the I'm sorry, it is in private mode, so it won't work here. It will only work for bot. Now to make it public, because many of you want to run this bot in public mode, I will show you how you can make this bot work in public mode. For that, to stop this process, just press Ctrl C, and it will ask if you want to terminate the batch job. Write Y and then press enter. So this will get terminated. Now write the command explorer and space then dot. What this command will do is it will open your file explorer in this directory, the WhatsApp directory. So as you can see, the explorer has been opened. Now I will just create a new file here, new, and then go to text document. As of now, text document, and I will just I will just open it for now, and I will write work and underscore type equals public. Work type equals public. I will go to file, and then I will save as, It is gonna save this file as .txt in here, but I want this file to be saved as some other extension. What should be what we want the name of file to be is config config.env. Now this will as of now this will save it as .txt. So go to this and click on all files, config.env, and then save. Now we should see a file name config.env somewhere here. Where is it? Yeah, you can see that config.env is here, and you can just open it with notepad and see its contents. We don't require that now, so we'll go to command prompt again, and then we will press for running the bot again. You can either type npm start, it might take some time, or you can directly launch the BotsApp without compiling it again. So I will show you how to do that. Write the command node dist and botsap.js. This will directly launch the BotsApp without recompiling it. So as you can see, there's an error here. This might occur. Just press Ctrl C and then do this again. That's a common error. Oh, wait, it shows as error, but yeah, it has successfully integrated again. As you can see, there's a message here. Now I will try to write the help command again. We'll see if this works. Oh yes, it's working. You can see that a help command is executed because we switched to public mode. As you can see, this is the WhatsApp's menu. Uh, you can type any command and you can check if it's working or not. For example, let's do this .yt WhatsApp, and yeah, it presented all the results for WhatsApp in YouTube. This video isn't there yet, so it's not showing there. All right, now a few of the post things. Now to keep the bot active, you will have to keep this window open. You can minimize it, but if you close it, bot will be turned off. So you will have to always keep this window open. You can minimize it, and you will have to you will have to make sure that your computer is connected to internet all the time for WhatsApp to be running. I think that's it for this video. And if you have any doubt, you can ask on the comment, you can ask on the WhatsApp support groups. I hope you learned things from this video. And okay, then bye.